Take care. Have a nice day. God bless you. There's so many things. What? Yeah. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing another makeup tutorial, but this time mom is doing my makeup. She's fully dolled up right now and I'm like, I have no makeup on. So mom's gonna use her techniques and tips and tricks.
Very simple.
Very simple form of hands. There are tons of brushes, mom, that you can utilize over here. So yes, that's all this video is going to be about. Just super fun. Mom trying to do my makeup. And my mom has been a model in the past before, like you all know. So she's done all her makeup for all her shoots and everything, as much as you've done all your shoots. So yeah, I think mom, you should know something after having a beauty content creator daughter and seeing so many videos. What have you learned? Okay, so you have to share that knowledge with us today. So wait.
To be honest,
Wait.
I still get confused.
Let me finish the intro. Okay guys, anyway, so without further ado, let's quickly jump into this video. Say hi.
Hi.
You don't say only hi guys, what's up? Like kuch nahi.
I don't know.
Say na hi.
What do you want me to say?
Say hi.
Hi.
My mom's too
I'm going to
nervous.
do her makeup.
Right.
So you have to judge
Judge you or me? You.
me.
What are you
Done.
using? Read at least.
First.
Be a beauty blogger,
Oh,
mom.
sorry. Vitamin Glow.
Right. Correct.
I'm going to put.
Okay, my mom's doing my makeup for the first time. Have you ever done my makeup as a child?
No.
As a
I never
baby?
used to put anything. Only lipstick.
That's why I love lipstick so much.
That's why, they said, no, she's too small. You shouldn't do this.
My mom used to put red lipstick for me. Red lipstick.
Your lips are pink only. I used to, over that, I used to put red lipstick.
So I think
Only for the function. Then people would say, no, she's so small. Don't put lipstick. I said, okay.
why you
I
listen to them?
won't.
No, then
Oh, there's a kid, no baby.
that's
no
why I
put-
fell in love with lipstick. I love lipstick. It's my favorite thing to use. Now we're going to move on to
Now we're moving on to foundation.
the Maybelline Fit Me foundation.
Where is it, the Maybelline?
Show them how you're taking it also. That's a lot of foundation. Oh my god. I don't even use half of that. Talk. Tell them what you're doing. Putting this all up.
Putting.
Your
Let
fingers.
me do it now. I don't want a sponge.
Sponge. Mama, use the sponge, no?
Oh my god, I
No.
don't use
My
sponge.
mom doesn't know. Okay. This is so cringy right now. Foundation with fingers.
Now you'll see. That's a mom.
I'll sit like this
Yeah.
so
See?
people can see.
Yeah.
That's
Watch.
all?
Yeah.
Have you blended it properly? Are
my
the
God.
edges seen?
This is testing time. Like a school test hota na paisa. Okay, where's your concealer?
Oh, mom's going to use more foundation, okay.
Because you use more foundation in your video.
Oh wow, you blended it. Not, Mama, see how patchy it is, Mama.
Okay, sorry.
It has to be seamless. You should not know where your foundation is beginning and ending. It should be like your skin.
Okay, now, Bapre.
Read na.
This is
L'Oreal
Paris.
Infallible Concealer.
These words and all.
Why are you putting concealer? But what's the purpose?
Dark circle annella tegitade.
Correct. See how smoothly it will blend.
Yeah. You're like, what?
No, it's wow. Okay. Do you think it's blended well? Do you think?
Okay.
Do you think my dark circles have gone, mom? Wow, you are like pounding my under eye. Where is your sensitivity and grace? You're bashing my eye.
Because now it's dried up. No, to put more.
My mom has a very heavy hand, I'll tell you that. You are like punching me in the face, mom. What anger are you removing on my face?
Because I want to put properly.
That's why it's a sponge.
Slowly.
Does it look blended?
Final result you'll come to know.
But you see, na? Okay. Oh wow.
No?
Is my dark circle still visible? Do you think some places are not blended? Exactly.
Close your eyes, please. Sorry, I'm being...
You can see the darkness, so you have to cover that with full concealer.
Okay, na? Abhi kitna concealer?
Does it look blended? It's so patchy,
Oh,
Mom.
that's patchy, I know. But how to blend?
Exactly like you're doing. Soft. Look at this, guys. It's blended.
No?
Yeah. Now what do you
Master
do?
class now. Now powder.
Right.
I don't know what.
Mama, you twist the cap. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder.
Selling in the water like a cup of saucer. Dip.
Don't touch that.
This.
No.
This?
No.
This.
No.
This.
No.
Then which one?
It's this.
So small one.
You're gonna get in.
Ah, there. I thought.
Oh, full face?
Yeah, powder. No. Oh, you not don't do full face.
I bake my under eye. You don't watch my tutorial.
I make my whole face.
You don't bake your face. You set your face. Okay.
Okay. Man, we could do it. Yeah, sorry.
This is the first time you've done my makeup in 28 years, Mom. Why did you never do my makeup?
Because I don't know how
As
to
a
do.
child.
No, I never used to put makeup on
You
your face.
should na rouge and all.
No. Sorry.
I think by now my whole family should know how to do makeup. Watching my videos, my brothers should know how to do makeup. Akhil should know how to do makeup. Eyebrows. Oh my god, I can't wait for this.
Which one?
I can't wait for this. What is your using? See, it's the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Brows take me the most time, Mom. You are done. Where is it?
No eyebrow?
You've done nothing. Can you see a difference in my brow?
Yes, so nice and dark.
There is no pencil on me. Oh wow. That's drastically different. And they're both sisters, not twins. You can very well tell.
You take long time for my
Very long time,
Oh
Mom.
my god.
It's about shaping the face. Your brows shape your face. Do you know that? If you do weird brows, your face looks weird.
I'm using eyeshadow. Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty.
A
one?
blending brush. Now you would usually take this
But
first
you
to
have to-
begin with. The darkest shade she wants to begin with in my crease.
Okay.
You always begin with the lightest and move to the darkest. Okay, yes, correct.
But actually, I don't know how to do it.
Mom has never done eyeshadow. So you're basically removing the shimmer now.
There is shimmer, but there is no shimmer. Like that.
Acha, you want, okay. You want light glitter everywhere. Acha. She's going for a look. She has a look in mind. Oh, nice.
Next, kajal.
Kajal. No
Or
lower
a-
lash line, nothing. You don't want to put any shadow
actually-
here. Mom is concentrating so much, she's not even talking.
Bapre. It's a test like driving test, no? Like cooking test होता है master chef का साथ like this. I want to be perfect.
Oh wow, not bad. You know where to place it, Mom.
Now, next.
Now, you have to decide. I'm telling her everything. She's done it.
Eyeliner.
Okay, fine. Eyeliner. This is the Calabar pen eyeliner, so it's easier for you. Are you doing a wing?
Maybe.
Acha, maybe you're good at it.
Don't know.
I only can't do wing.
I don't know how makeup artists they do other people's makeup. It's tough, man. Wing थोड़ा मोटा हो गया.
Oh, cute.
You know.
Are you doing my lower lash line with a pen eyeliner? Masterpiece right here.
Now lipstick.
Mom, what about contour?
Oh,
Bronzing, blushing, highlighter.
तड़का, वगरने, masala.
Exactly. Bronzer.
Bronzer, which one?
Back to Bronze by L'Oreal. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho. Wow. My mom is a very good artist, tell them. My mom paints.
You can show my paintings.
My mom does nude paintings really well. Nude paintings, she does forests and
Nude painting.
nude painting. But very nice paintings. She stopped. I don't know what happened.
Too much energy you need for that. You need a quiet place to paint.
You didn't have quiet place, but you used to still paint. So beautiful.
वो shock आ जाता है ना, paint
Yeah.
I paint. After that you can't. You need that blush.
Color bar, blush and fallen leaves. I don't even have to see it. Rouge.
Rouge. I use lipstick.
Oh.
There, this side, please.
I can barely see the color, mom. Not, you know where to place everything. That I must give you. She's asking me. Next.
Glitter. No, what you call that? Shimmer.
Tap, 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 tap. You've been so quiet during this video. What will they see? What content will they see?
You speak now.
But I speak all the time. They want you to speak. They are like, Miles, please shut up. Let your mom talk now. Not bad, mom. I can barely see the highlighter, but not bad. Look at your cheek. Come here. Turn. Look at that. Why can't you give me that?
You said you put it. Okay.
Okay, we're getting close. Your cheek is so nice and highlighted. Oh my god. Not bad.
Wow, so shining. Now lipstick.
You didn't contour my nose only.
Oh.
I have fat nose, not like you.
So now tell me about your basic experience.
Oh, now mom wants to
Now you
do small talk, huh? Masic. It's been amazing. Very challenging. Lots of things to deal with and lots to learn. There's so many things I'm doing that I don't know about.
Actually, I'm really so proud of you.
Thank
you. Know, doing all this, it's very, very what you call. So proud of you doing the way what you do. Entrepreneur.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard.
Hard, no?
But I'm learning every day. Something new comes up.
Something new. Even the driving?
Yeah,
Amazing.
I drive. My mom is shocked that I'm driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not on a cycle?
No,
Straight to Gadi.
If you know guys, I don't know how to ride a bicycle. I was never taught, but straight Gadi.
But we learn on our own, you know, but I
Do
don't know
we?
how. You didn't learn. Jake had cycle. Jay had cycle.
I was just
Jake learned
ignored.
everything on his own. But how come you didn't learn?
Mom, you tell me. How come
I never trained Jake or Jay. Learn on their own. They said, I want
That's so
cycle.
sad. No one taught them how to ride a cycle. Mom, nice. The Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You have to show them. Come to the camera. You're not even coming inside. Yeah. Okay.
You have such a lovely eyelashes. So big, na eyelashes. Akhil's, my god,
Akhil.
so good.
Akhil has
So,
the
Kapna?
biggest lashes ever. Boys have better lashes for sure.
So
You did
number
a full
10,
makeup
1
look,
to
mom.
10.
I'll give you 8. Yes. You did.
Next time cooking, I will ask the same question. Mars, not oil, not mustard seed, or no. I'll tell you. Not tadka. First you have to cook dal.
Mom, cooking is very hard.
This is also very hard. It looks so simple when you say do this, do this, do this. It's so
Your
difficult.
base was really good. Your cheeks, your contour, everything was amazing. You didn't do my lip.
You said, Esa. I can do for you, not for me.
No, you have to go up only on the bow.
Yeah.
And then follow the same line.
Acha. This is the color you use. I use little dark brown color. Which one is this?
NARS lipstick in Get It On.
Papre, how you remember all these names?
Don't remember. Yeah, you have distorted my lips, but what have you done? It was going well.
Okay. No?
Yeah, cool. This is nice.
Okay.
She made me look like her. That's it. That's all. You don't add anything.
Perfect.
Okay. That's her makeup look for me. Come in the camera. You made me look like you actually.
Natural. Makeup look. What is that? No makeup look makeup.
No
makeup
makeup look.
Whatever.
I like your base work, Mama. I thought you were really not good at base, but
Nice, huh?
what would you give yourself?
9.5.
9.5. What confidence.
Talia.
Why half
And
mark
you
you
need
cut?
nice put ponytail.
Ponytail?
Like plaits. Look nice.
Oh. My mom's living her granddaughter fantasy through me only. I love French plaits. I learned French plaits from my mom only actually.
You remember school?
Yeah.
I used to put French plat. You had such a thick hair. Still you do. But long hair and oil, coconut oil.
Yeah.
A lot of coconut oil.
Why?
That's why you have such a thick hair. Nice and thick hair.
Yes, mother.
Sometimes I used to put castor oil also.
What?
Yeah. Thick, no? It's
Oh my
very
god,
good.
no
Castor oil
wonder
is
I
very
didn't
good.
have any boyfriend in school. Nobody wanted to be next to Stinky. How pretty!
Look at that.
I actually like it.
Say something.
I don't know what to say. This is your video. You're doing my hair and makeup. Does it remind you of years
school,
ago?
Yeah. It was so cute. Yeah, I still have that picture. Your school picture I'll send to you. You can show to your viewers.
Gosh. Literally, I think this after school you're doing my hair.
You're staying so far.
I do
Come
stay
here, I need
far.
one jet plane. Air India.
What?
So
Not
far,
that
is it?
far. Mom.
See how nice you look. So pretty.
I love it. This is the final hair and makeup. I look like a 10th standard school girl.
Looking pretty actually.
You did it, see? Hair and
Yeah,
makeup.
so nice it looks.
So you can do hair and makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Sorry.
Like spitting on my face.
See the shine?
Yeah, it's wet. It's not shine. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. That means you do watch my videos.
Yeah, I do. But I don't know the names.
My base work.
Contour and brush and that and product names and all. Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Mom. We got a hairdo as well from Mom. So yes, guys, this is the final result. I know we didn't talk a lot. Mom was just focusing on getting the best job done because she was nervous.
Doing to Malvika Saklani.
Mom, please, yeah. Okay, this is the final result of the makeup. You guys tell how much Mom should get out of 10. 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. How much do you think she should get? I think 8.5. I think 8 on 10 is great. Because I think the shadow and the liner could have been... I'm very strict like that. The liner could have been better. No, but you did a good job. Okay. My base is so good and my blush and my contour and my highlight. Look at my skin, how glowy, see in the camera. Skin looks glowy. I love the nude lip that you put, my favorite. And you get, actually I'm going to give you a 9 because of the hair. I think my mom did an extra touch and said, you know, you're too boring with your open hair, do something different. Yeah. So she made French plaits. So for that you get 9 on 10. Yay. Alright. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with my mom and you love this and you will try this hair at home. Please tag my mom if you do try this French plait at home. Thank you so much for watching. This was just a fun video for you guys to enjoy. And yeah, anything you want to tell them?
No.
That's rude.
What to tell?
Take care. Have a nice day. God bless you. There's so many things.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care, guys. We love you. Bye.
That's so fake.
Okay, please. Please, from 1 to 10, 9.5. Thank you. Take care. God bless.
What? Yeah.
You tell me again.
You've done this outro 10 times. I'm going to put all of this.
No. Don't put, please. Don't put, please. Don't.
Bye, guys.
Take care
now. I can't do this.
This is 4th time. Bye guys. Take care.
See ya.
See ya. Ciao.
Bye now.